Our global energy system is at a crossroads. For over a century, fossil fuels have powered our industries, transportation, and homes. But this reliance has come at a steep price, jeopardizing the health of our planet and the well-being of future generations. The scientific consensus is clear: climate change is real, accelerating, and primarily driven by human activity, particularly the burning of fossil fuels. We are already witnessing the consequences of our dependence on fossil fuels. Extreme weather events such as hurricanes, floods, and droughts are becoming more frequent and intense. Sea levels are rising, threatening coastal communities. We must acknowledge the urgency of this situation. We must transition away from fossil fuels and embrace cleaner, more sustainable energy sources. This is not just an environmental imperative, it is also an economic and social one. By investing in renewable energy, we can create jobs, improve public health, and build a more equitable and sustainable future for all. The consequences of our dependence on fossil fuels are far-reaching and multifaceted. The burning of coal, oil, and natural gas releases harmful pollutants into the atmosphere, including carbon dioxide, methane, and sulfur dioxide. These greenhouse gases trap heat and warm the planet, leading to climate change. The economic costs of fossil fuel dependence are also staggering. Volatile fuel prices create uncertainty for businesses and consumers. Subsidies for the fossil fuel industry divert resources from investments in clean energy. Furthermore, the health impacts of air and water pollution from fossil fuel extraction and combustion place a significant burden on healthcare systems and reduce productivity. Beyond the environmental and economic costs, fossil fuel dependence has profound social implications. The extraction and transportation of fossil fuels often disproportionately impact marginalized communities, leading to environmental injustice. Conflict and instability arise from competition for scarce resources, and geopolitical tensions can escalate over access to oil and gas reserves. Fortunately, a brighter future awaits if we embrace renewable energy sources like solar, wind, and hydrogen. Technological advancements have made these sources increasingly efficient and cost-competitive with fossil fuels. Solar power harnesses the sun's energy to generate electricity. Wind power utilizes wind turbines to convert wind energy into electricity. Hydrogen fuel cells offer a promising solution for transportation and other applications. They produce electricity through a chemical reaction between hydrogen and oxygen, with water as the only byproduct. Advancements in battery storage are crucial for ensuring a reliable and resilient renewable energy grid. Batteries can store excess energy generated during peak production times and release it when demand exceeds supply. The benefits of transitioning to renewable energy are numerous. By reducing our reliance on fossil fuels, we can mitigate the impacts of climate change, improve air and water quality, and safeguard public health. Investing in renewable energy technologies creates jobs, stimulates economic growth, and enhances energy security. Several countries and cities around the world serve as inspiring examples of successful energy transitions. Costa Rica has become a global leader in renewable energy, generating nearly 100% of its electricity from hydroelectric, geothermal, wind, and solar sources. Copenhagen, Denmark, has set ambitious goals to become carbon neutral by 2025, investing heavily in wind power, energy efficiency, and sustainable transportation. These case studies demonstrate that a transition to a clean energy future is not only necessary but also achievable. By learning from these pioneers, sharing best practices, and fostering international collaboration, we can accelerate the global shift towards a sustainable energy future. The path forward is clear. We must prioritize sustainability, invest in research and development of renewable energy technologies, and implement policies that support the growth of clean energy industries. The time for action is now. Let us work together to create a future where clean, abundant energy powers our world and ensures a healthy planet for generations to come.